Here we will see how we can test API in Postman. So here I downloaded the Postman. You can download, it's free, and just log in. And I just logged in and open Postman. Okay. So it will take some time to load. Allow that. Yeah, now this is the interface for that. You can check it from here. That is plus button. Click on that. Here you will check. You can, yeah, there is lot of option. Okay, let me create a file. Okay, I created one folder. Just go to inside that folder and open in command prompt. I already installed Node.js, so I am give npm init to initialize that project. It will take some time. You can give description and press enter. It will ask for entry point index.js. You can give git repo keywords author. I will give my name and press enter. It will show like this. You can open this code in VS Code. Just give code dot command to open in VS Code. Now it will open in VS Code. Here one package.json file is generated. Here you will see that author license, all other things what you given. So let me create a one folder index.js. Okay, now I created that file. So let me open that terminal. Here I tried to install Express, but it's not showing in the package.json. If your Express file is installed, then it will be shows in this file package.json. Otherwise, it will not install. Here it is not showing. Here it is also not showing. It means Express is not installed. Look here, it shows module not found. Okay, so I will tell you like how you can get that. If you have copilot, just whatever error you got, just paste in that copilot. It will automatically show that what you need to install. Here just click on continue. It will install Express. Once install is Express, it will show in packet.json file. Okay, so I will click on continue. So it will open a copilot in terminal, your terminal here, and it's installing. Okay, now it's installed. You can check it on packet.json. It will be there. Now it's loading server. Okay, it shows some error. Let me remove that create server. We will talk about later. Okay, yeah. Now if you keep node index.js, then it will run. Yeah, now it's running on local. Here you need to click on allow. Okay, once you allow, then you can copy this link and go to your Postman. Yeah, now it's working. So go to your Postman and check that if it's coming hello world in the Postman, it means it's working fine. Here there is option get postful. Let me paste that and send that request. Once you send that request in body, it will show yeah hello world. Now it means it's working fine.